I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing essentials and opening the right screen. Make sure your Alipay app is updated. Outdated versions block new card binding. Keep your ID or passport, the bank card, and the phone number linked to your bank at hand. Open Alipay and go straight to the cards or bank cards section. Do not wander through other menus. This gets you where you need to be without delay. Once there, tap Add Card to begin entering details and move to the next step. Now enter the card information carefully, card number, expiry date, and CVV, because typos cause immediate failures. Choose the correct issuing bank from the list and pick debit or credit as shown on your card. Alipay will prompt for a mobile number. Use the one your bank has on file so the SMS verification arrives. Expect a one-time code. Copy it exactly. If your bank requests additional identity verification, follow the prompts. Once verified, the app will prepare to link the card to your account. Finish by confirming the binding, and if prompted, choosing whether to set this card as your default payment method. Alipay may show a small temporary test charge or immediately report success. Make sure the card appears in your list. If binding fails, first recheck the phone number your bank has, confirm the app is current, and retry the SMS step. If problems persist, contact your bank to enable online payments or ask Alipay support to review the binding logs. That one troubleshooting tip usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.